The human brain is an extraordinary organ. It is the command center of our body, responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. One of the most fascinating aspects of the brain is its ability to perceive and interpret the world around us. Our senses provide us with a constant stream of information, and our brain works tirelessly to make sense of it all. Think of the brain as a powerful computer. It processes massive amounts of data every second. This data comes from our senses. Our eyes detect light and color, our ears pick up sounds, our skin feels temperature and pressure. Our brain takes this sensory input and creates our reality. It assembles the images we see, the sounds we hear, and the sensations we feel, but this process is not always perfect. Sometimes our brain can be tricked by illusions. These illusions reveal the limitations and biases in our perception. They show us that our brain doesn't always see the world as it truly is. Instead, it creates a model of reality based on our experiences, expectations, and assumptions. Visual illusions are a fascinating window into the workings of the brain. They demonstrate how our perception can be fooled, even when we know we are being tricked. One striking example is the illusion of inverted faces. When a face is upside down, our brain has difficulty processing the features. We are so accustomed to seeing faces right side up that our brain struggles to recognize them in an unusual orientation. Another intriguing illusion is the camouflaged bird. The bird's plumage blends seamlessly with the bark and leaves, making it nearly invisible to the untrained eye. This illusion highlights the importance of contrast and pattern recognition in our visual perception. Our brain uses these cues to distinguish objects from their background. The brain is not simply a passive receiver of information, it is an active interpreter, constantly making sense of the world around us. This process of interpretation is influenced by our past experiences, our expectations, and even our emotions. For example, consider the hidden baby illusion. At first glance, you might only see the tree, but once you're told that there is a baby hidden in the image, your brain suddenly shifts its perception. You start to see the baby's outline, its tiny fingers, and its peaceful face. This illusion demonstrates how our expectations can shape our perception. Another fascinating example is the tongue-turning trick. Try this. Turn your tongue upside down and touch the left side of your tongue. You might be surprised to feel the sensation on the right side of your mouth. This is because the nerves that carry sensory information from our tongue cross over to the opposite side of our brain. These illusions and tricks teach us about more than just our senses. They also reveal something profound about our minds. Our ability to solve riddles, see through illusions, and adapt to new information is a sign of cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility is the ability to switch between different concepts, change our perspective, and think creatively. It's about being open to new ideas, challenging our assumptions, and finding new ways to solve problems. Just like a muscle, our brain benefits from exercise. By engaging in activities that challenge our perception, attention, and problem-solving skills, we can strengthen our cognitive abilities. We can become more adaptable, more resilient, and more open to the wonders of the universe. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your mind sharp. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled.